You are on the right if you want to prepare your patio for the summer. Ideally, you may wish to complete this project before hosting your garden party. This video will share tips to help clean your patio for the summer. Move your furniture and clean any debris. In the winter, your garden goes through a lot. Elements such as frost, snow, wind and rain take a toll on your garden and patio. Therefore, now is the time to pay attention to your patio. First, you must move your garden furniture to remove loose debris. If you follow this approach, you can get everything neat and clean. If you want to use a patio cleaner, we suggest that you try on a small area to see how it goes. Use soapy water to clean your patio. If you don't have a pressure washer, you can try soapy water, as it can be pretty effective. The following are the things you need to clean your patio with soapy water. 1. Supply soapy water on the base until it's completely wet. 2. It's better to start in the corners and then scrub with your brush. You don't have to use a lot of pressure. The idea is to apply enough pressure to remove the dirt and debris. If you don't want to damage the jointing compound, you may want to brush diagonally. 3. You may want to keep going until the entire surface looks neat and clean. 4. Pour fresh water to wash the remnants towards your drainage hole. 5. Now, take a closer look at the jointing compounds for any signs of damage. You may add a little mixture to fill in the cracks if they look damaged. Finally, replace your furniture once the patio is dry. 6. Use vinegar to clean your patio. White vinegar is one of the best cleaning solutions if you want to remove tough stains. The good news is that you can use white vinegar to clean your patio. 3 things you need for this method: a brush with stiff bristles, warm water, white vinegar. It is essential to keep in mind that you cannot use white vinegar on limestone pavers, as the acid can cause significant damage to the surface. First of all, move your garden furniture and use the brush to remove loose debris. Afterwards, prepare a mixture of an equal amount of vinegar and warm water in the bucket. If you notice that your patio has stubborn stains, you may add a little more vinegar. Once the solution is ready, you can pour it over your patio surface and wait for at least 30 minutes so that it does its work. Use fresh water to wash away the solution and let it flow towards your drainage hole. Again, you may want to inspect the jointing compound. You may add a little mixture to fix it if it looks damaged. Now, allow the sun to dry your patio slabs before replacing your furniture. 7. Use a pressure washer to clean your patio. If you don't have much time, you can use a pressure washer to clean your patio in a few minutes. For this purpose, you need a pressure washer, detergent, and a garden hose. Once you have the 3 things, you can follow the steps to clean your patio for this number. 1. First, move your furniture and use a brush to remove any debris and leaves. 2. Prepare your pressure washer by attaching it to the garden hose. 3. You may find a detergent chamber in a pressure washer. In this case, you may want to prepare the detergent or washing liquid and then fill up the chamber. Another method is to apply the detergent directly to the surface of your patio. 4. It is better to start in the corners and separate across the patio diagonally. 5. Finally, pour fresh water to remove the cleaning detergent. Now, inspect the joints and fill in the gaps using a jointing compound. 6. Replace your furniture once the patio is dry. Maintain your patio. It is better to keep on top of your pet in the summer. An easy way of doing so is to brush your patio regularly. The idea is to prevent the accumulation of stubborn stains and discoloration. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on why you need to stop using toxic household cleaners and which products to avoid. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 or visit FastKlean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching until